Hi guys, it's Teacher Abby. I miss you guys so much. I hope you guys are having fun with your families and coming up with fun things to do. Today I'm gonna make Play-Doh, so I have my Play-Doh recipe with me, and it has all of our ingredients that we need, and it has the steps on how to make Play-Doh. So I hope you guys can do it with me. All right, so first I want to make sure that I have all my ingredients that are listed on my recipe. So I have flour, I need flour, got salt right here, cream of tartar, let's see, we got oil, you can use vegetable oil, and then later we're going to use some, it says boiling water, but you can just turn your faucet on warm and wait till it gets pretty warm, and then we can just use warm water. So first off, my first step is to dump all the dry ingredients into the bowl and mix it together. So I'm going to start with my flour. And I need 1.5 cups of flour. So I'm going to use a 1 cup and 1/2 cup. And there's my cat. There's 1 cup. I'm going to do 1/2 cup. There's my 1/2 cup. Now we don't need our flour anymore. Now we're going to do 1/2 cup of salt, which if you remember in class, we used a lot of salt for our Play-Doh. So there's our 1/2 cup of salt. So now we have flour and salt. Next we need our cream of tartar, which is our last dry ingredient. And we need 2 teaspoons, which is not going to fit in there. There's 1. And 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar. All our dry ingredients together so it's nice and combined. I wish you guys were here helping me stir. All right, so now we're gonna add our warm water. So I'm gonna go get our 1 cup of warm water real quick. Okay. So I'm back with my warm water. I'm gonna pour that into our bowl. Next, we're gonna put our oil. And we want 2 tablespoons of oil, and our tablespoon, which is this guy, looks a little bit bigger than our teaspoon, which is this guy. So we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of oil. 1, 2. And then we're gonna stir it together. And right now it does not look very pretty yet. Okay, so now I'm gonna put some red. We used liquid food coloring in class, and I'm using gel food coloring at home because that's what I have at my house. So I'm gonna put blue. So now we have blue and red. I'll add a little bit more red. Right, so we can continue our stirring and see what happens when we mix red and blue together. I'm gonna start just using my hands to mix. All right, so you just really want to get in there with your hands and mix it up. Make sure all the flour and stuff is combined into our dough. And if it's super sticky and sticking to your hands, you can add some more flour just like we did in class, and it'll be less sticky. So you can just keep adding flour if it's too sticky. And it might be really hard to tell right now, but this is a purple. It might look really brown, but blue and red do make purple. Alright guys, this is our finished Play-Doh that's ready to be played with and rolled out. You can use Play-Doh cutters or cookie cutters or whatever you have at home to play with. If you want to, you can add or ask your adult and they can add some cinnamon or anything that smells really good to your Play-Doh, so just to give it a good smell while you're playing, but that's up to your families. If it's super, super sticky, you can add some flour, like we did in class, just to make it super, you know, playable, not very sticky. If it's too sticky, it's really hard to play with. It gets stuck to everything. You can see my hands are purple now that I'm playing with it, and that will happen. You guys can use any colors you want if you have colors at home. If not, you don't have to use any colors at all. It's still really fun to play with. We would love to see your guys' Play-Doh. If your adult wants to take pictures of your Play-Doh, of you guys making Play-Doh at home, you can send those to us. I really miss you guys so, so, so much, and I hope you guys have fun. Bye.